0.5 as a decimal. Let us
Teacher, I beg you ring the bell. Teach your children, teach them how to spell.
Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today my focus is on decimal fractions. If you have been inspired and considering improving on your mathematics skills, feel free to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post any of these videos. My focus is on decimal fraction. I just want to say thanks to those people or those who have already been subscribed, and I look forward to having more subscribers. Now we'll start with 1/2 simple fractions I'm working with. Now in converting this fraction to a decimal, all we need to do is to divide our numerator by the denominator. In other words, I'm simply saying divide the top number by the bottom number. In this case, we'll divide 1 will be divided by 2. We know that we cannot get 2 into 1, which will give us a 0. I'm going to add a 0 and place my decimal point right here. Then we look how many groups of 2 can I now get from 10? And for sure, the answer is 5. So multiply 5 times 2 will give us 10. So in other words, 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5 as a decimal. Let us convert. If we were given 0.5 to be converted to a fraction, what we need to do is to place the decimal number given over. So where the decimal point is, I'll put 1. The remaining numbers following the decimal point, I will place a 0. In this case, just one number following the decimal point. So all I need to do is to add a 0. So we are simplifying 5/10 by 2. How many groups of 5 can I get in the 5? 1, and we'll get 2. So that will take us back to 1/2. Again, you can always pause the video and go back and review at your own pace. Let us try another example here. I'll divide 9/20 as a fraction to be converted to a decimal. Guys, we are dividing our numerator by denominator. Hence, 9 being divided by 20. Can I get any group of 20 out of 9? No. So I'll add a 0, place my decimal point. How many times can I get 20 out of 90? Will be 4. So multiply 4 times 20 will give us 80. Subtract, leave us with 10. Again, add a 0. How many groups of 20 can I get out of 100? 5. 5 times 20 will give us 100. And note, guys, I put the decimal point once. I add a 0 here, didn't put a decimal point again. So in other words, we are simply saying that 9/20 in decimal would be 0.45. And if we were to convert 0.45 back to a fraction, 0.45 0.45, place over 1, point over 1, 0, 0, and then we'll simplify. We could use 5 into 45, 9, 5 into 100, 20 times. So we'll have converted into a fraction. Let us try one more example this time, guys. 0.16 as a decimal. I'm going to change it to a fraction. So what we'll do, as I said earlier, 0.16, put a decimal point. 1 goes under the decimal point. Add zeros as per the number of digits that follow the decimal point. So we are simplifying 16 over 100. So we're going to look for a number that can divide 16 and 100. So let us try 4. 4 into 16 goes 4 times. 4 into 100 goes 25. Can it be further simplified? No. Hence, 0.65 is equivalent or is the same as 4 over 25. So remember to like, share, and subscribe. And if you like my videos, considering improving your mathematics, feel free to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post any of these videos. Do we have time for one more? Let us try one more, guys. 1 over 8 to a decimal, divide by 8. Can I get no? Add a 0, place my decimal point. How many groups of 8 can I get from 10? 1. Take 8. This will leave us with 2. Add another 0. How many times can I divide 20 by? Into 8 we'll get 2. 2 times 8 will give us 16. At 4. And add a 0. How many times can I divide 8 into 40? It goes 5 times. 5 8 will give us 40. So 1/8 is the same as 0.125 as a decimal fraction. Again, like, share, and subscribe to my videos. I hope you have been as inspired. I hope you have also grasped the concept. And continue to watch my video, like, share, and most importantly, subscribe.